Hey folks, welcome back to the Etowah Chainsaw Museum. Today we got saw number 13 in the collection. It's a Poulan Pro 260 42cc version. And Cousin Barry at work gave us this saw. He pulled till he got mad, I guess. Didn't like it, so he gave it to us. And its problem was it would start just fine and idle, but the pump diaphragm was stretched out so it wouldn't rev up. So we put a cheap carb kit in it, and now it runs just fine. No problems. A lot of people snarl their nose at these cheap Poulans, but they're wildly popular. Look how many people have these things. Now us included. So I think one of their problems that they do have is the design of this muffler. You know, the exhaust is way back here. I think a lot of people will redo those and make them a lot more efficient, because that makes for a lot of heat. That we might do something with that ourselves, but makes them run kind of hot. So, but even back in their heyday, you know, Poulan's always, their mufflers were never that good. They were always a problem. And I used to love the big Poulans. 655, I kept with one of those for years and loved it. Wish I still had it. Now they sell on eBay for more than what I gave for that one 30-something years ago. Anyway, let's look this saw over a little bit. And it's got the chain brake, 18-inch bar. Looks like Barry didn't use it much. Chain's still like new. It's got that safety chain. I don't like it. Alright, it's got the choke. It's got a throttle lock. It's kind of in with the choke. And it's got off and on. It's got a primer. And the thing I do like about them, it's easy to put gas and oil in these. Some of the older ones, you fill them on top, you about had to have a little funnel. But not on these. And these Poulans don't run bad at all. Especially for the price. There's a lot of people that cut their firewood for years with one of these. You know, they got that little muffler issue, and they don't breathe real good. But a lot of people enjoy hopping these things up now. They'll make it breathe a little better, work that muffler a little bit. And I think that plug gap is too tight on them from the factory. You got to open that up around 30 or something. Helps them restart when they get hot. And I don't know. We've used it around here to cut some, and I don't have a problem with it. Maybe we'll play with it, hop it up a little bit, or leave it in the collection. Let's see if it'll start. Let's see what Barry gave us. Saw number 13. Poulan Pro 260. Thank you for watching. Bye.